Isang maganda at pagpalang araw na naman po sa inyong lahat, and welcome po to my devotion this day, January 26, 2026. Today, yung topic naman na pag-usapan natin is about Abraham and Lot. Why is peace more important than wealth? And yung verse naman na talakay natin this day is from Genesis chapter 13 verses 8 to 13. Sabi niya na, so Abraham said to Lot, let's not have any quarreling between you and me, or between your herders and mine, for we are close relatives. Is not the whole land before you? Let's part company. If you go to the left, I'll go to the right. If you go to the right, I'll go to the left. Lot looked around and saw that the whole plain of Jordan toward Zoar was well watered, like the garden of the Lord, like the land of Egypt. This was before the Lord destroyed Sodom and Gomorrah. So Lot chose for himself the whole plain of the Jordan and set out toward the east. The two men parted company. Abraham lived in the land of Canaan, while Lot lived among the cities of the plain and pitched his tenants near Sodom. Now the people of Sodom were wicked and were sinning greatly against the Lord. No. In this passage, Abraham chose peace over conflict by giving Lot the freedom to choose where he would settle. Ipinakita ni Abraham ang kanyang kababaang loob at pagtitiwala sa Diyos kahit maaari siyang maunang pumili. Lot looked at the land with his eyes and chose the fertile plains of the Jordan because it appeared prosperous and beautiful. Ngunit binalaan tayo ng kasultan ng tao sa Sodom ay labis na masasama. Isang detalye na hindi pinansin ni Lot. His decision was based on what looked good, not on what was spiritually safe. Pinapaalala ng talatang ito ng tamang pagpili ay hindi lamang kung ano ang kaakit-akit sa paningin, kundi kung ano ang kalugod-lugod sa Diyos. Kaya naman para sa katulad this day, number 1 is what looks good to the eyes is not always good for the soul. Lot chose based on appearance and advantage. Madalas, ang mga desisyong maganda sa paningin natin ay may nakatagong panganib sa spiritual na buhay. Pangalawa natin katulad is peace is more valuable than prosperity. Abraham chose peace over personal gain. Ipinapakita nito na mas mahalaga ang pagkakaisa at pagsunod sa Diyos kaysa sa kayamanan. And pangatlo natin katulad is spiritual environment matters in raising a family. Lot moved closer to a bigger city. Ang lugar at kulturang kinalalagyan natin ay may malaking epekto sa ating pananampalataya at sa ating pamilya. Kaya naman para sa application this day, number 1 is evaluate decisions using biblical principles. Before choosing, we should ask what honors God. Huwag lang tayong tumingin kung ano ang benepisyo, kundi ang spiritual na bunga. And application number 2 naman natin is choose peace over personal gain. We should let humility guide our choices. Mas mabuti mawalan ng pagkakataon kaysa mawalan ng kapayapaan sa Diyos. And application number 3 naman natin is guard your family's spiritual direction. We should choose environments that nurture our faith. Sikapin natin ilapit ang ating pamilya sa Diyos, hindi sa tukso. That's all for my devotion this day, January 26, 2026. My name is Galindo po, and thank you for watching.